We're going to look at factorising a trinomial which is a number in front of the x squared. So this one's got 2. I've got 3 methods. We've got the first one which is guess and check, basically a trial and error method. And then we've got a kind of splitting method and then a method called St Andrews cross. So the first method, basically, I'm going to start off like I would do an easier trinomial. I've got 2a and a in my bracket. That's the only way I can get 2a squared. So if I write that, it'll be 2a squared is 2a and a. Then I think to myself, well, how do I get 5? It's 5 and 1. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the numbers and I'm going to basically guess and check. So I'm going to put plus 5 plus 1. And I'm going to multiply it out, so I'm going to just check, I'll just do a wee bit at the side. I'm going to have 2a squared plus 2a plus 5a plus 5. The bit we are concerned with is the middle terms. 2a add 5a is 7a, and that's what we wanted, so the job is done. For the second method, it's called splitting, and what we're going to do first is we're going to multiply the first term by the last term. So I'm just going to do first times last is, well, 10, and basically I'm going to figure out the factors of 10. So 10, I've got 10 and 1, 5 and 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a pair that makes this 7 here. And that pair is the 5 and 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break that 7 up into the 5 and 2. So I'm going to write, this is 2a squared plus 5a plus 2a plus 5. And that's basically the same, except I've just broken this up. What that allows me to do is cut this in half, and I'm going to take common factors of both sides. So common factor on the first side, well, I've got an a squared and an a, so that's a bracket 2a plus 5. Now what we're wanting, basically both sides have the same bracket, so I kind of do a wee cheat step almost, write 2a plus 5, and well, how do I get 2a plus 5 here? Well, I need to multiply that by 1. Then, well, the first bracket is the one that's common to both, that's 2a plus 5, and whatever's left, the a and the plus 1 forms the second bracket. The third method is called St Andrews cross. We're going to start off by writing 2a and a, and we're going to do this, what we call St Andrews cross. And we're going to look at the ways we can multiply to get 5. So we'll get 5 and 1. And we're going to check, does that work? Well, what we do is we do 2a multiplied by 1. So that's 2a. Then we do a times by 5 plus 5a equals 7a. Brilliant, that works. Then we read across the way, so this bit here is your first bracket, so it's going to be 2a plus 5, and then on the bottom it's going to be a plus 1.